Guys, check out this beautiful 1985 first gen Toyota MR2. The paint came really chalky and it needed some paint correction. The goal of my client was to sell it. So with the paint being opaque and kind of like chalky looking, obviously that affects the resale value of the vehicle. And this is where a good detail like our HD exterior with paint correction comes in very handy. Because not only did it revive the paint, it actually brought more gloss. It looks like it's out of 1985 all over again. The interior received a good vacuum, a good wipe down. All the plastic got treated, along with the door jambs. The door jambs, they probably were never ever wiped down. So we brought out the big guns with the steam cleaner. And that helped up remove all the dirt and grime and grease that was trapped in there, and we were able to remove it. So with the car being detailed the way that we did it, it definitely adds more value when it's being sold. So if you guys have a car that's getting ready for sale and you would like to maximize your profits, definitely give us a call because we have the package for you. Check it out, 1985 classic MR2.